Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me VIVO X90 device, and now I can show you how to make your device faster. So firstly, let's open settings. Then scroll down and find your RAM and storage space. And as you can see here, I have used only 32 gigabytes. And I have 256 gigabytes. And remember one rule: if you will fill up your storage over than 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So never fill up your storage over 70%. If you will fill up, so your device will start to slowing down. So you will need to move your photos and videos to the cloud storage or to the flash drive. You will need to remove unused applications and weak applications and big files from your storage. The second aspect that can slow down your device, it's RAM, but you can extend your RAM. So I will not restart my device. So as you can see, I have extended my RAM up to 8 gigabytes. So I have 12 gigabytes, but you can extend it to 8 gigabytes if you will enable this feature. I have enabled, as you can see. And the last aspect to speed up your device is to clean junk files. So to do it, just open Files application, click Clean, and here you will see cleaning suggestions. So you can clean it using select files to clean, free up more space, and others. Of course, here on your device we have iManager. You can enable it. Click I have read, agree, and here wait a while and click optimize. You need to optimize your device once a week, maybe it's good time interval. So I suggest you to do it once a week, maybe twice a week, and your device will always in good condition. Bye.